Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Sanitas upper arm blood pressure monitor, fully automatic blood pressure and pulse measurement on the upper arm, the model SBM 54. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Beautiful large display. I will show you the large numbers later. Some information here, how you can install that at your arm. You need 6 volts, so 4 3A batteries 1.5 volt. This is the upper arm cuff, and we have the batteries. Manual. Flexible, so it can stay very well at your arm, and you can adjust it. Now to install the batteries, where you can install the batteries. There it is, pull to remove, and inside you can install the batteries. At the front we have 3 buttons, start-stop button, the memory button and the function button. And the risk indicator, green, yellow, orange and red. Let's install the batteries. And cover. We need to make some adjustments. 24-hour or 12-hour, 24-hour. Here we can see in the battery capacity. 2025, 2026. And we need to adjust the month and the day, the hour, and the minutes. Press and hold, it will go faster. Perfect, that was all. Press this button and you can turn it on. You can use it for 2 persons, first person and second person. So let's give it a try. Press the button to start. It has a detection of irregular heartbeat, warns off potential cardiac arrhythmia. We can see the pulse, systolic 133 and diastolic. It says OK. I am not in the correct position, I'm trying to filming right now, so again you can turn it on. It will switch off after a few seconds. Memory, press the memory button and you can see. Again, we can take another measurement. It is so easy to use. And for each measurement we can see the time, the day and the month, the year, systolic, diastolic, pulse per minute for the first person, second memory. First memory, average, morning measurement, evening measurement. We can see the icons here, and again back. Press this button, ready to go. I really like the large display and the memory function, which makes it easy to track readings over time. It's a solid option if you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly blood pressure monitor. If you want to keep an eye on your heart health at home, this is an excellent choice. The large, backlight display makes it incredibly easy to read. And the Who color-coded scale gives you an instant, clear understanding of your results. It's simple, it's accurate, and it provides that extra layer of peace of mind between doctor visits. Knowing your numbers is the first step to staying healthy. And this blood pressure monitor makes the process effortless. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more home health device reviews and guides. Thanks so much for watching, take care of your health and I'll see you in the next one.